In this video, we'll look at ways to select multiple questions and work with them. You can select multiple questions in a test or set that is open in the editor pane, or in the question sets or tests panes. We'll start by looking at how you select multiple questions in the editor pane. With the question set or test open in the editor pane, begin by selecting all questions from the View drop-down. If you don't change the View options to all questions, you will only be able to select questions from a single page. Next, click the MultiSelect button. A dialog box displays with directions for using the MultiSelect functionality and a link to the help topic. You can click Do Not Show Again to keep the dialog box from showing every time you use MultiSelect. When you're in MultiSelect mode, check boxes display next to the questions so you can select them. Also, all other options are disabled. You can click the MultiSelect button again to exit MultiSelect mode. To select a question, click its corresponding checkbox. As soon as you select your first question, the other MultiSelect buttons are enabled. You can delete multiple questions, create a new set or test from your selection, or add questions to an existing set or test. For this example, I'm going to add questions to a test I created earlier, so I'll click the Add to Existing Set or Test button. In the dialog box, I'll select the set or test from the tree and click OK. After you click OK, the set or test you selected will open in the editor pane so you can edit it. You can also select multiple questions in the question sets and tests panes. Right-click the set or test you want to pick questions from and select Enable MultiSelect for this set or test. You can also turn on MultiSelect from the Options menu. Checkboxes display next to the questions. You can preview the questions by hovering over them and then click the checkbox to select them. After you've selected the questions you want to work with, right-click again or open the Options menu to access the MultiSelect options. This time we'll create a new test from the selection. This option is only available to instructors. I'll enter a name for my new test and select the folder where I want to save it. It's important to keep in mind that where you save the new item determines whether it's a set or test. If you save it in one of the folders under All Tests, you will create a test. If you save it under All Question Sets, you will create a set. After I click OK, the new test will open so I can edit it. So there you have it, a quick overview of how to use MultiSelect.